Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're going to do a walkthrough review video on this 30 by 40 by 12 all vertical metal building, which includes two 10 by 10 black roll-up doors and one custom man door that the customer actually bought himself. But before we get into that, we'll talk about how the ordering process is. So once you inquire about a metal building, what we'll do is we'll actually do a rendering that shows how your building will be outlined, the dimensions, and the spacing between each roll-up door. Once we figure out the spacing that you want on each roll-up door and man door, what we'll do is we'll actually sketch it up. Like in this example right here, the customer wanted 5 foot in between each roll-up door, and as well as 5 foot from the end of the building to the man door. So there's the final product. This customer actually chose to upgrade his siding to vertical siding, which does come at an extra charge, and we can discuss that once you inquire about a metal building. We can discuss if it's in your budget and if any of this works for you. Black doors also come at an additional cost, so just inquire to your building specialist to see if we offer it in your area and how much more of an upgrade it'll be. In this case, the customer chose to go with a custom black door, which he actually purchased himself and had our guys install it for him. So we can do that for you guys. Just keep in mind that the guys on site will charge you an extra fee just because that's not included in their job description when signing the contract. Rat guard can be made in different dimensions. So for example, this customer chose to overlap his concrete, and so we had to accommodate the extra 2 inches on the concrete and then the 1 inch coming down. In that case, a lot of times people will step down the concrete, which is fine as well. We will just need to know how far down that concrete will step down. That way we can make that rat guard accordingly. And you can see it again right here and all throughout the building. This building also includes color matching screws. So as you can see, we have gray screws for the siding and black screws for all the trim work. Then here's the 40 backside, the vertical siding, black eaves, and again that rat guard that goes all the way around. So now we're going to walk into the interior of the building, and just some more information for you guys. Whenever we install vertical siding, all of the screws you see right here, they will actually go horizontal. And if you go with horizontal siding, all the screws will be bolted up onto those leg posts. It's just something to keep in mind. Our roll-up doors also include a latch on the outside, so you can purchase a lock like this customer did right here. We are unable to open it today, but he was kind enough to let us open one of them. So a 10 by 10 again does come with a string included. That way you can push and pull as needed. So pull up. And this building is insulated in double bubble insulation all throughout the building, on the roof and the sides. Again, with the vertical siding upgrade, you do get this perpendicular member in between each of your leg posts. So that the siding can bolt up on this side, on the back side. This customer also prepped for some plumbing on this end of the building and over there. All of our triple wide structures, which include any widths between 26 wide and 30 wide, you do get the upgraded welded system on the roof. And a lot of customers also have the question as to how are the roll-up doors placed along the eave walls. So we add a header bar that, in this case, spans all around the building, the front side of the building I should say, and that allows for those leg posts to be eliminated where the roll-up doors are. And that will conclude our video for today. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. We're actually going to talk about the differences between when you go vertical siding and when you add the two-tone deluxe to that vertical siding. We're going to talk about trim work on the corners. And yeah, stay tuned and thank you for watching.